The need for literacy and embrace around AI is only going to increase. How does that make you feel? Hello and welcome to Well Intel Daily. I'm Annie Hood. This is the podcast that makes wellbeing work for you and your business. Cybercrew have released some insightful AI stats at the end of March this year, and I'm going to share a few of them with you. One that stood out to me is that the UK has an AI adoption rate of more than 20%, but at the same time, approximately 32% of businesses in the UK have said they're not using AI and they don't plan to. AI startups have raised close to £20 billion between 2011 and 2021. And the UK economy could grow over 10% by 2030 solely as a result of the AI sector. The risks of large segments of the population not becoming familiar and literate with AI tools are many, but I want to home in on one or two of them. First, for those who lack access or knowledge of AI tools, there's potential to face disadvantage in education, employment, even access, I think, to critical services. So that's one reason for becoming more literate. Ethical and privacy concerns. The widespread adoption requires a thoughtful approach. And if you've listened to previous episodes I've done on AI, there is a huge global call for regulation to happen now, yesterday, really urgently, because it's all moving so fast. And that lack of awareness about AI tech and the potential implications may prevent some people from making informed decisions about their data and privacy rights, which in turn could mean unintended consequences. And could a lack of AI literacy also mean reduced societal benefit? On the one hand, AI has enormous potential to contribute to societal advance and address various global challenges. But if a significant portion of the population does not embrace AI tools, then that advance may be limited. And it's crucial to promote AI literacy, provide AI tools and education, and ensure that the benefits of AI are shared equitably. And that's about encouraging widespread adoption, the understanding of it, and how do you cut through? Well, I'm going to give a big shout out to a young woman called Heather Murray and her platform, AI for Non-Techies. I follow her on LinkedIn and I know that she's across all social platforms. She's absolutely brilliant and makes the AI journey 1,000,000 times easier. So if you want a place to start, I'd go right there. Tomorrow, I'm going to talk about the red threads of well-being, and they might not be what you think. Please follow, share, and review, and of course, be well.